What's up everyone, that's boy Gumzi and welcome to my channel G Talks Canada. आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी अलग रहने वाली है guys because we are here in RV show. That means lots of different style and price range of RVs. If you guys have no idea about RV तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बता दूं कि RV is a camper van, RV is a motor home जिसमें लोग रहते हैं, खाते हैं, पीते हैं, सोते हैं. It's just like a small little home on the wheels. गाइज अगर इनकी प्राइसिंग की बात करें तो दे स्टार्ट एट अराउंड 10,000 एंड देन दे गो अप टू $400,000. तो वीडियो में बहुत सारा बी रोल होगा और साथ के साथ मैं आपको दिखाता रहूँगा कि आरवीज डिफरेंट स्टाइल की आरवीज कैसी होती हैं. Okay guys, so all different type of RVs, they come in different pricing, different style, different size. So it totally depends on you guys which one do you like, price wise, size wise or the style wise. Okay guys, so these RVs comes in different style and design as well. So some of them you can see they have different chassis. Ram, this one is on Mercedes and this one is on Ram chassis as well. So we call it van RVs. And this type of RVs are usually for a couple or single person because they are small in size. And this type of RV is my personally favorite one because I think you have the truck and then it's on the back of the truck and then you don't need anything else. It's like go-to RV. It's small as well for a couple or one or two person. Guys, this RV is something different. बहुत ही spacious है. हालांकि spacious इसलिए because these parts are like kind of stretched out. जब ये इसको tow करते तो ये सारे parts अंदर की तरफ आ जाते हैं. But anyhow, this got 3 rooms, right? This is for kids, right here. This back right there, and one room is over there. So this has 3 rooms, a sitting room, a kitchen, a full refrigerator. Fan, ceiling fan. I mean, you don't see ceiling fans in RVs, you know. This got one, so this is amazing. I love it. Some RVs got the freezer or barbecue option outside. Some RVs they got some options, a TV or speaker or those options, so you guys can sit outside and have fun while you guys doing camping. ओके गाइस, तो वीडियो में और आगे जाने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि जो मोटर होम्स होते हैं, जहाँ आरवीज होती हैं, दे आर कैटेगराइज्ड इन कैटेगरीज क्लास ए, क्लास बी, क्लास सी एंड 5th व्हील. सो जो आप मेरे पीछे ये देख रहे हैं, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ बस लुकिंग टाइप आरवी. दिस इज कॉल्ड क्लास ए मोटर होम. लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड हैव अ लुक. सो दे हैव bunker beds. They have the main master bedroom in the back, cabinets, TV, and living room, kitchen, and of course, your bus is right there as well. So you can drive it. Once you're done driving, you just park your RV and come inside, enjoy it. So everyone is having fun here. Hi guys. So everyone liked this one the best. This is class C motorhome. There's so much space to sleep. So 1, 2, 3 people over there. 4th here. 5th here, cause this thing can turn into a bed. And then after 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. So 9 people can sleep in this. This is huge. As you guys can see, this part is kind of extended out. जो अंदर आपने देखा ना काउच वगैरह पड़े या डाइनिंग टेबल रखा उन्होंने, सो दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट। जब वो इसको पार्क करते हैं दैट थिंग एक्सटेंड्स आउट मोटराइज्ड एंड एक्सट्रैक्ट इनसाइड वंस यू आर ड्राइविंग द व्हीकल। तो ये था हमारा क्लास बी मोटर होम। अब आती है क्लास बी में ही डिफरेंट कैटेगरी विच डजंट एक्सटेंड आउट। दिस टाइप ऑफ मोटर होम इज़ क्लास बी। अगर आप देखें तो बहुत ही छोटा सा क्यूट सा मोटर होम होता है। No, you can sleep actually. This thing, the sofa becomes bed, and then you can sleep here.
Okay.
And then you can put another mattress here.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can sleep 2 people easily. It's a queen mattress.
I see the
Yeah, so this thing becomes a bed. Guys, you see this one is class B and this is for off-roading. Look at the price as well. Wow. And let's go inside, have a look. This is on Mercedes chassis. Mercedes is known for comfort, and look at that. This is the kitchen counter. Again, the sofa style convertible bed, and it opens from the back as well for your other stuff. Small TV, everything is small and tiny here. Let's have a look to the washroom as well. It's locked. Nope, it's not. So guys, this is washroom and toilet in. Of course, there is a fridge, a locked fridge, and a microwave. So guys, there are different type of class B as well. So if you guys see this class B, it's extended on the top. There is a bedroom in there, so you will feel like you're sleeping in a tent, but it's an RV. Guys, ये वाली RV जो बाहर से भी स्टील लुकिंग है, अंदर से भी काफ़ी स्टील लुकिंग ही थी. I don't see any wooden part inside as well. अंदर बाहर दोनों स्टील लगी हुई है और काफ़ी डिफरेंट लुकिंग RV है ये. It's kind of a fifth wheel you can say. Okay guys, so I want to mention here कि जो छोटी से छोटी RV भी है उनमें भी आपको किचन का सारा सामान मिल जाएगा. वॉशरूम होगा, बेडरूम होगा और सिटिंग रूम होगा. उसमें सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल रहेंगी, चाहे वो छोटी है, बट देयर इज़ एवरीथिंग इन दैट RV फॉर यू. Okay guys, this is the smallest one we have got here. इसमें जाके देखते हैं कि क्या क्या चीज़ें अवेलेबल रहती हैं इसके अंदर. सबसे पहले हमें देखती हैं जी किचन. तो स्टोव, इट्स गैस प्रोपेन स्टोव, सिंक, वाटर टैप, थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें रखने के लिए, जहाँ पे नेट लगा हुआ है चीज़ें रखने के लिए. और यहाँ पे आ जाता है जी आपका फ्रिज, देन माइक्रोवेव, देन व्हाट्स दैट, अवन, इट्स लॉक्ड और इट्स अ स्टोरेज. ओके ठीक है जी, स्टोरेज आ गई. यहाँ पे भी आई थिंक स्टोरेज है या उसके बाद यहाँ पे आ जाता है जी आपका वॉशरूम. नाइस स्पेशियस वॉशरूम विद द टॉयलेट सीट. और पीछे की तरफ साथ में आपको मिल जाएगा जी बेड कम सोफ़ा. तो काफ़ी वियर्ड लुकिंग सा डिज़ाइन है, बट अवेलेबल सारा कुछ है इसके अंदर. और ये आपका कंट्रोल पैनल आ जाता है जिसमें आपको वाटर, हीट और अगर सोलर है तो सोलर, अगर प्रोपेन है तो सारी आपको चीज़ें यहाँ पे देखने को मिल जाएंगी. कंट्रोल रूम आपका साथ में है जी. एज यू गाइस कैन सी, बहुत सारी RVs जो हैं दे आर ऑलरेडी सोल्ड एंड सोल्ड का स्टिकर लग चुका है. दैट मीन्स यू कैन नॉट इवन एंटर इट. सो गाइज, इन कनाडा विंटर अभी आने वाली है, इसलिए ये RV का सीज़न जा रहा है, तो बहुत सारी RVs सेल के ऊपर लगी हुई हैं. दैट्स वाई वी केम हियर टू हैव अ लुक एज वेल. अगर हमें लेना हो तो कौन सा प्राइस या कौन सी RV बेस्ट रहेगी. Fifth wheel got 2 doors. One is right here for washroom and one is the main door where you can enter the main RV, the sitting area or kitchen area. ये इसलिए होता है because बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो ऑफ ग्रिड जाके पार्किंग करते हैं और कैंपिंग करते हैं. Let's say your feet are muddy and dirty, you guys can enter right here in the washroom area, wash your feet, wash your dog's feet, and then enter the main RV compartment. So it's a different concept. There are so many different concept RVs are there. Different 5 कंपनीज यहाँ पे आई हैं आज, और पांचों कंपनी के अपने अपने 4 कैटेगरीज जो मेन कैटेगरीज हैं उनकी RVs यहाँ पे लाकर उन्होंने खड़ाई हुई हैं. And then we are having fun. We are getting those RVs going inside, outside. Kids are having fun as well. They liked it as well. Anav is having fun. Mom is having fun. So yeah, it's a great day. Are the very tiny mini one, जैसे टेंट में सो गए और इनमें सो गए, kind of the same thing I would say. These are the safest one I would say. अगर आप कहीं दूर कैंपिंग कर रहे हैं जंगलों में तो these are the best one. इसमें I think बेड ही रहेगा. यहाँ पे टीवी है, fireplace है, and you have the couch come bed here. वो जो किचन है वो बैक साइड पे मिलेगा, just like this. This is a retractable stove, kitchen, sink, a fridge, and little bit storage. So this one is for $20,000. Oh, the RV with patio. Wow, this is different, eh? Inside and have a look how this looks.
There are beds on the top, and we can move that down.
Wow, it's totally different style. So there are hydraulics. You guys can lower down the beds. 2 people can sleep there, or you can use this space for the storage. And there's your patio as well. So if you want to sit outside, do barbecue, or just chill in the summer, you can do it. Look at those chairs, styly, and the kitchen. And let's go this way. There's a master bedroom. Amazing. I love it. Different. So
I like this one, the patio one.
yeah, how about this one?
This is you don't find enough space in it to sleep. It's like very squeezy, but it is must. It is.
There are so many options with patio one, eh? Look at this one. This is for patio one. That one is for patio one. Let's go in. Let's see how different this one is. This is for $67,000. And wow, different style kitchen, a bedroom, a barbecue, a fire pit, a small cute looking patio. Okay, that's nice. And on the other side you'll have double sink, washroom, toilet seat outside, then shower, which is neat. I like it. I think that's a cabinet. Yeah, that's your cabinet and washing machine. Wow, that's amazing. I like it. Amazing. So there's another type, the same type as. So let's have a look inside.
So, do you barbecue, please?
Barbecue. Oh yeah.
This one is amazing.
This one is amazing. I like it.
Especially bed नीचे आ सकता है.
Yeah, especially the bed option, right? So you can use it as a sleeping bed, or you can use this space for storage.
Storage as well.
Yeah, a few people they do
Like
biking and
dinner
stuff, right?
यहाँ पे
So they can.
करो, हाँ.
Yeah, amazing. I like it. I like these chairs as well. Okay, guys. So we are almost done here. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share it. Till then, take care. Bye bye.